this exercise, we are going to use a pen. Using this pen, make a bunch of lines together like this. These lines are parallel. When you make these lines close to one another, it appears to be really dark. Now, I'll show you how you can use this technique to show different values in a circle. Make a small circle like this, and first of all, we'll add the darkest tone here. This way, keeping the lines close to one another. Next to it, I'll add the middle tone like this. And after this, I'll add light tone. Using the pen, have fun with it and draw random lines like this diagonally or in opposite direction like this, and making curvy lines like this. Basically, the more you practice, the better your lines become. When you're a beginner, you might have noticed you might be having shaky lines or very swabby lines, but with the practice of this exercise, you can master your lines. You can make confident lines. Just use a pen and start making lines like this. Here I'm making a crosshatch. I make lines like this and then make another line in different direction, crossing it this way. Here also I'm making these kind of lines, making cross hatching again, and going ahead with the third layer. As you can see, the second hatching looks darker as it had been layered with two different kinds of lines. Again, I'm practicing the dark tone, middle tone and light tone over here. It's just a difference of distance in between them that makes it darker and lighter. Experiment with this technique and make wavy lines like this. Try to follow along the pattern this way, or make cross hatching again over it this way. Cross hatching again over here, but with a slightly curved line like this. Now I'll use a brush pen to make lines like this, straight lines and diagonal lines like this. Slightly curved lines like this over here. Experiment with this brush and make different kinds of lines using it. Next, we are going to use a fine liner for the same thing. Make diagonal lines, do cross hatching, straight lines, parallel lines, wavy lines. Basically, just experiment with the pen. I made broader strokes but then eventually made them thinner and changed their direction as well, as you can see over here. Then again I make it broader this way. A color pencil for repeating the strokes like this. You can vary the pressure for achieving the darkness or the lightness of the pencil. You can use the side of the pencil for creating broader strokes this way.